Hello Funko Pop fanatics! Today I'm going to show you my Attack on Titan collection. So currently there are 14 figures to collect from the Attack on Titan Funko Pop line. But these are the first 5 that came out. So these first came out in 2014 and all of them are now vaulted. Meaning Funko will not be producing these figures anymore. So let's take a look at the back of this Eren Yeager figure. That's the back. So you might wonder why instead of 5 characters, only 4 are here. Well, it's because number 22, Eren in his Titan form has a variant, and we'll get to that later. Let us open this character. So this is Eren Yeager in the animated series. Well, you know, if you follow the series, that he's the main protagonist, the lead character, if I must say. He's wearing his Survey Corps uniform with his vertical maneuvering equipment there, and that's the logo of the Survey Corps. The Survey Corps is a branch of the military in the Attack on Titan series. Okay. So the next one is number 21, Mikasa Ackerman. So Mikasa is the adoptive sister of Eren. So here, Mikasa is wearing her training corps uniform. This is Eren in his Titan form. So this is the same Eren Yeager here. But you might wonder why he is in his Titan form. If you follow the series, you know that. But if you don't, well, I suggest that you should watch the anime series or read the comic books or manga. Well, actually I have not read the manga yet. I just follow the series, and season 3 just came out. This Eren in his Titan form. Wow, nice bot. The next one is still Eren in his Titan form. So this is the variant I was saying a while ago. Eren is in rage mode. So when in rage mode, Eren Titan becomes stronger. So notice the difference. He has white eyes here, and he has orange streaks all over his face and body. And finally, we have this 6-inch Funko Pop, the Colossal Titan. Personally, this should be a 9-inch Funko Pop, and the Eren Titans should be 6-inch Funko Pop figures. Well, actually, the Armored Titan and the female Titan that were released last year were all 6-inch Funko Pops. So there, let's open this. This is the Colossal Titan. This is actually the biggest Titan in the series, and it is the biggest threat to humanity. Yeah, that's the Colossal Titan. So there you go, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more of my collection. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.